channel. If you're new, my name is Kitty. So today we have a cooking video for you guys. Well, preparing a salad and showing you guys how to make my Southern ranch dressing. So in this video, you're gonna see me prepare my Southern ranch dressing from scratch, but I am using ranch itself, but then the seasonings that makes it the Southern ranch. I was missing one ingredient, but I did have a little tiny bit of it in there, but it doesn't make a difference for video because I still mention how much you have to put in there. I like to make everything by like eyeballing everything, but you can basically see just by watching how much of what I'm putting in. So it's not like difficult, it's super easy. And as for the ground beef, Wesley does go over the ingredients he used to make the ground beef. You're gonna make ground beef the same way you would for taco meat. So you brown it first, you cook and brown it. You take out all the grease, and then after you've took out all the grease and fat and stuff, then you're gonna add in all your seasonings, which again, Wesley is gonna mention in the video, all the ingredients are in the meat. So I did not cook the meat on camera only because it's self-explanatory. You guys know how to make taco meat. If you don't, that's not a problem. Leave it in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to make a video showing you how we make our ground beef for tacos, spaghettis. We do make it different when it's for tacos or spaghetti. So if you guys want to see the recipes to both of those, we'll be more than happy to make that video for you, or I will. Maybe Wesley will help. Let's see how you guys request it below. So the salad actually came out super yummy. It was so good. So the salad that we use for the taco salad is called spring mix. So it's gonna have like a mix of different greens, which is the healthiest option. You can do it with iceberg, you can do it with romaine, any type of salad you like, even with kale. Whatever greens you'd like, you can use that as your taco salad. The cheddar cheese we used is, we ran out of the shredded one. So what we did is we had the sliced cheddar cheese. I just cut it up really tiny, so that's what you guys are gonna see on the actual, you guys saw that in the intro. You saw all the stuff in the intro, so, but yeah. So it's super quick and easy. I prepared it all around 5 minutes. It was like 5 minutes and a few seconds. So just around 5 minutes, once you've already cut and washed everything. I did mention in the video how I washed my veggies. So it's super easy. All right guys, so let's get to it. So we're about to begin. I'm gonna start with making the dressing, and as you can see, that's all Wesley left me, a paprika. So that's what I have to work with today. But I don't use measurements. I just mix and look at the color. But I'm making plenty because it's for Wesley and I. So that is the ranch. And I like the Aldi brand. I've tried like all the other brands and I don't like them. I just think they're nasty. So I'm doing garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic. As you can tell. Paprika, you're supposed to put probably like about that amount. This is cayenne pepper. Wesley, what do you think? You think that's gonna be too spicy, or go ahead and do a little more?
There you go.
Okay. Then a little bit of, how do you pronounce that, Wesley? Cumin?
Cumin.
A little bit of black pepper. Just like a little sprinkle. Onion powder. I just looked up a recipe and I used some of the stuff. This was not on the actual recipe, the onion powder, but I put what I like. Chili powder. This was on the recipe. Like that, right?
Yeah.
And also hot sauce was on the recipe. So I like to shake it up real good. That should be good. And you mix it. And this is gonna make the Southern ranch dressing. Okay, so I had that big glass bowl that you guys saw in the beginning. I changed my mind. I'm gonna use this as the salad bowl. So first we're gonna get the salad in there Next, we're gonna put the meat. Then I like to sprinkle in the, these by the way are Frito-Lays, right?
Fritos.
Fritos. Okay, not Frito-Lays, Fritos. And then you put them in a bag and just smash them up. And I wash my hands like 5 times. To those of you that are my viewers from before, you know that I'm a germaphobe, so my hands are clean. Put that over there. Then I like to do the cilantro on the top. So all this I wash with like a spray that I make with vinegar and water. So everything is like nice and clean already. And then you just do the toppings like that. However much you want of whatever. Actually, I want more tomatoes, so I'm gonna add more. And then green bell peppers. Oh, and I'm missing, I like to put sour cream and salsa verde, but I ran out of both just the other day. So the only thing missing is the corn. And it's best if you have like the fresh corn and you like, what do you call that when they do it on the pan and it's like
grilled?
I don't know, I guess. Tastes better that way. So then I get a piece of lime and I squeeze it. Oh, and the ground beef. Wesley, you want to tell them how you season the ground beef?
So the ground beef, I seasoned it with garlic, taco seasoning, paprika, chili powder, and that's about it.
Wait, did you say taco seasoning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then final touch is your Southern Ranch. You drizzle it on top. You don't have to have a lot of ranch because obviously the meat has all the seasoning on it, but the ranch does help. Let's save some for Wesley, which I thought it was a lot, but it's really not a lot. That was like perfect for 2 people. And there you go. How quick and easy was that, you guys? I think I did it in under 5 minutes. Yeah. Well, not counting the preparation. And there it is, you guys. Isn't that pretty? That's a taco salad. Perfect. Southern style. Because we're in Florida. So what did you guys think of my salad? So wasn't it easy to prepare that dressing, the Southern Ranch? That was just super easy. I never knew that's how you make it until I looked up the recipe online, and I just changed a couple things. Like they make it, the ranch from that packet, you know, the little powder packet, they make it with that, mayonnaise and stuff like that. I didn't want to go that route, so I just bought the actual ranch and then I added the other ingredients that they mentioned. Basically added how much I thought I would like, and it came out perfect. It came out probably even better than the Southern Ranch that I've tried in restaurants. I'm not trying to, you know, yeah, it was better. But yeah, so if you guys try it, I want to know in the comments below how it came out for you guys. Like, did yours come out freaking bomb or what? So let me know. And if you guys have any more requests on other videos you'd like me to make, other foods you'd like me to cook, I could cook pretty much just about anything. From like Spanish foods to Asian foods to Italian, it don't matter. Just if you guys want me to make something specific, let me know in the comments below, and that will be one of the future videos. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys.